What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off apps running in the background on your Windows 11 PC. So you want to go ahead and right click on the Windows icon right here on your taskbar and go to install apps. Right now, once you're here, this is another way how you can quickly find those applications that you want to have run in the background or not. So I recommend that you go through the list of applications that you have on your computer and just check to see if those applications could potentially be running in the background and you can enable or disable them. I'm going to use Copilot as an example. So you want to click the three dots on the up towards the right hand side, as you can see here. Then click on advanced options. Any application that you have the option for advanced options, you're normally able to go into more features of the app within Windows, and you're able to find that feature within this as well. There's some applications that you will just download and install on your computer, but it does not give you that option to go to advanced feature. So from my experience, any application that either comes on Windows, like one of those default applications, or an application that you install from the Microsoft Store, then these normally give you the option to go into advanced features. So that's from my experience. Let me know in the comments below if you've had that experience, but this is what I've recognized. Now, you can see right here that there is an option that says background app permission, right? And here you can see pour optimize. No, this is just what it's set to recommended or the default setting for any apps that you have there. And what you will see when you click the drop down here is that you can set it to never. Never simply means it will never run in the background, or always is like enabling it so it will run in the background. And so this is just a simple feature within Windows, or the simple options that allows you to turn on or off background apps running in the background on your Windows 11 PC. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.